कागज दिखा रहा हूँ, कोई देखने को तैयार नहीं। कागज जो नहीं देखे, कम से कम सुप्रीम कोर्ट की बात नहीं माने।
Bulldozers rolled into Delhi's Jahangirpuri on April 20 morning to demolish illegal constructions after the North Delhi Municipal Corporation launched an anti-encroachment drive. The demolition process, however, was stopped due to the Supreme Court's intervention, which ordered status quo on the demolition drive against the alleged encroachers. Among the demolished were a tobacco shop, a scrap dealer's shop, a juice corner, and the front gate of a mosque. Talking about the demolition, Ganesh Kumar, the owner of Gupta's juice shop, said that his shop had been allotted by Delhi Development Authority in 1977 and he had all the required documents to prove the same, but no one listened to him.
बता तो रहा हूँ 1977 से है।
1977
हाँ,
से। और आप टैक्सेस वगैरह सब इस टाइम पर
पेड है, सबका कागज है, सबका रसीद है, सब कुछ है। कागज दिखा रहा हूँ, कोई देखने को तैयार नहीं। यहाँ तक कह रहा हूँ कि एक घंटे पहले सुप्रीम कोर्ट का ऑर्डर आ गया, डुमलेशन बंद किया जाए, तो भी नहीं सुनने को तैयार है। कागज जो नहीं देखे, कम से कम सुप्रीम कोर्ट की बात नहीं माने।
सर जी, आपका ये 1977 से ये जूस का धंधा?
हाँ, जूस का ही पहले मेरे फादर करते थे, अब मैं कर रहा हूँ।
Who said what about demolition drive? BJP MP Narasimha Rao commenting on the demolition drive, Narasimha Rao took to Twitter and said that JCB is equal to Jihad Control Board. A JCB refers to a bulldozer. AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi hit out at BJP and AAP over demolition drive. Owaisi accused the BJP of punishing poor Muslims for daring to stay alive. He also questioned Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's dubious role in the proposed demolition drive. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi said that the act was a state-sponsored targeting of poor and minorities. This is a demolition of India's constitutional values. This is state-sponsored targeting of poor and minorities. BJP must bulldoze the hatred in their hearts instead, Rahul Gandhi tweeted.